The perfect Chicago-style hot dog. A, all 7 toppings, made for America.
Hey, y'all. Loved my ribby? Now get ready, babes. The perfect Chicago-style hot dog.
Here are every single ingredient you need for the perfect Chicago dog. That green is not a color found in nature, and it is perfect. Everything organized and ready, huddy? Let's make Chicago's most legendary street food.
Steamer set up with 2 inches of water. Steam is everything here. Frank's steaming 4 minutes in. That steam is gonna make them snap perfectly. Go ahead and just check in the steam quality.
Buns steam just 1 minute down. Oh, warm and soft, but never, ever soggy.
There are a lot of them. Poppy seed buns, open gently, never fully split through the bottom of it.
Yellow mustard stripe first, 1 thin clean line from end to end. Regulation mustard line.
Still not a color in nature, still perfect. Neon green sweet relish, the color that makes Chicago style completely unmistakable. 2 Roma tomato wedges placed at each side. Vivid red is everything here. Tomato geometry matters. I have found heaven. 1 full dill pickle spear running the entire length, pure Chicago tradition. I have found heaven. 1 full dill pickle spear running the entire length, pure Chicago tradition.
Celery salt dusted over everything, Mom. The sacred finishing touch of every Chicago dog. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Chicago. This one's for you.
The golden rule of Chicago, absolutely no ketchup, ever. Not even once. Chicago law, it was never there. All 4 Chicago dogs assembled in perfect official topping order. Rehead cow. Beautiful. This fry has ambitions. Steak cut fries for serving alongside bak wai. Thick, golden, and made for Chicago. Steak cut fries into the hot oil, oop, golden and crispy in 4 minutes. Chicago dog plated with fries alongside pie. This is America's greatest street food.
7 toppings, 1 perfect bun. Bleh.
Every topping in its perfect Chicago position, you. This bite is gonna be everything.
That snap, tag, natural casing Vienna beef, pure absolute Chicago perfection.
Steak cut fries dipped in yellow mustard, Chicago diner style, always and forever. Better. More mustard is always the answer in Chicago.
And here, in their natural habitat, we observe 4 perfect specimens of the Chicago-style hot dog. Chicago, this recipe is for you. From Chef Snowpaw with love. Go Bears!
American flag picks in each dog fiesta, Chicago style, red, white, and blue.
The perfect Chicago-style hot dog, made with love for all of America. Chicago, this was for you.
If you enjoyed this video and want more delicious recipes, like, subscribe, share. Thank you, America.